Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you will be well. And welcome again in Eblon Public School at home. Dear students, I am Kushal sir, your math teacher. Dear students, in the last video we explained the practice question number 4. It means sketching of 3D shapes, oblique sketch or isometric sketch. Okay. So after the practice question number 4, we discuss the new concept time, that is it. Before the discussion of the topic, we follow some good manners such as that before doing something new, listen carefully to the instruction and follow what is told. Okay, wait again. Before doing the something new, listen carefully to the instruction and follow what is told. Okay, students. So, dear students, please open the book of page number 67 from lead supplementary book. Concept time 8. Oblique and isometric view of the complex solid shapes. When two or more 3D shapes are combined, they form complex 3D shape. Okay. For example, winning podium and step to build using building blocks and a building. Okay. So these are 3D shapes. We can draw the sketch of complex shapes using both oblique and isometric sketch. For example, let us draw an oblique sketch and isometric sketch of three dices in cube of dimension of 4 into 4 into 4 unit as shown in the given figure. This is three dices which are placed to each other. So what is the oblique sketch? So oblique sketch will this type and isometric sketch will be this type. Okay, students. Example, sorry, complex solid shapes built using cube. A uh, Rubik's cube is made up of multiple units. All the units cube are not visible between viewed from the front. In such a case, we can guess the number of cubes by the visualizing the 3D shapes. There are 9 cubes visible in the front layer. Okay, here is 9. There are 9 cubes in the front layer. Two such layers are hidden behind, so there are 18 hidden cubes. Second and third means in this layer there are 9 cubes, so it is also 9, it is also 9, so total cube will be 999 means 9 is 27. Example number 4, let us find the number of cubes required to build the solid shape given below. If we look at the solid shapes, figure number 51 means this shape, the top layer has 4 cubes, 1 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so the second row has 12 cube, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, they are 12. It means first row means top layer has only 4 cubes and bottom layer has 4 3 12 cubes, so total cubes will be 4 plus 12, it means 16 cubes. Okay, if we look at the solid shape in figure number this, The top three layer has 1 comma 2 comma 3 cubes, 1 and 2 and 3 cubes. Okay, the bottom layer has 5 visible cubes and 2 hidden cubes, so the total number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7, it means 13 cubes. Okay students. Now concept time number 9. The solid shape can look different when viewed from the different angle. A portion of the shape also get hidden from the certain view. So visualizing of solid object is very important to understand its shape and properties. There are different ways to visualizing a solid shape. When we cutting the slicing, so this is a let a cucumber. If we cut in uh, vertically, we can get the this shape, and if we cut the horizontally, we get the circular shape. And using the shadow, so the cube in the cone, the shadow of cone will be triangular, and using different views. Slicing a solid shape vertically and horizontally gives the an idea to its cross section. A cross section is a view of the inside the solid made by the cutting through it. The cross section of a 3D shape is 2D shapes. A solid shapes can have different horizontal and vertical cross sections. Okay, students, using the shadow. We can also visualizing solid shape using their shadow. The shadow of the 3D shape is actually a 2D shape. The shadow of the object will be cast in the direction opposite to the light source. Means light source के opposite direction में क्या होती है? Shadow का formation होता है. The same 3D shape can have the shadow of different shapes depending on the direction of the light source. When the light source facing the front of the wooden block, the shadow is circular. When the light source face on the side of the wooden block, the shadow will be rectangular. Okay students, using different views, we can see an object from the three views, that is top view, front view and side view. As with the shadow, the same object might look different when viewed from different sides. It means this example of head of man. When we view on the top, we can see this type figure. If we can front from the front, we can get the front view. And if we watch from the side, then we can get side view this type. Okay, similarly these examples are also given. So dear students, please solve the question number 5.1 and 5.2 from the practice question number 5. Thank you and have a nice day.